How to access the file manager on an Android 8.0 phone. The file manager is nowhere to be found on this phone. So to access the file manager, swipe down from the top and go to the settings wheel. Settings. Okay, come here to the magnifying glass. Okay, and type in file manager. File is enough. Okay, so here's the file manager. Tap on it. You cannot start it directly. Okay, and we have to enable it. Tap on enable, and the file manager just showed up there. Okay, so tap on file manager. You can access the internal storage or whatever you have there, SD card and so on. File manager.